Are you struggling to make your advertising work, to get the right copy and pictures or the right videos and the right landing pages and everything else done so that you actually make money through your advertising? Well, if you are, then I want to show you a resource that is available to everyone that will help you for free to get better ads. Okay, are you interested? All right, let's do this. Let's jump over and look at this. Okay, so here I am in Facebook. I'm currently in incognito mode because I can't be logged in as my business page and see ads at the same time. So here we go. I'm scrolling through and here is an ad. How do I know? Because it says sponsored right there. Okay, so it's a sponsored ad from No BS Inner Circle. This is Russell Brunson and Dan Kennedy. And so here's what you can do anytime you see an ad. By the way, I suggest you start doing this regularly. All right. So turn off your ad blockers. If you're using ad blockers and you're an advertiser, you're being stupid because you need to be watching and looking at the ads that other people are doing. So if you want to be doing anything to actually make money with ads, you need to be doing copywriting. In other words, there's the word copy is in copywriting for a reason. Okay. So let's do this. Let's look at this. So I hit the three dots. I come down here. Why am I seeing this ad? If you click that, it starts to show you some things. So first off, it gives you an idea about how that particular advertiser is targeting. In this case, the No BS Inner Circle is targeting me because I'm interested in business, marketing, and more. So I can see these are the things that they have said that I am interested in. They did an interest-based search on business, marketing, advertising, entrepreneurship, and they added that in. Okay. Secondly, I'm in English. I'm between 20 and 64. I don't know what's going to happen when I turn 65. I won't see any ads anymore. Won't that be fun? Okay. And I'm primarily located in the United States. So this right here shows me a little bit about targeting. Now, it's not incredibly valuable, but it gives me an indication. So oftentimes you'll see because you've interacted with their page before, or they've uploaded a list with your name on it, which says that you've done something to get on their list and they've uploaded it. All those are possibilities. So I can also hide all ads from this advertiser. That's a thing that you can do. So now let me go and let's look at this. So if I take this No BS Inner Circle, and I go in and I look at their page as such. Now, here's where we're going to get. So we got some targeting things. Now we're going to move into some. Actually, let's start seeing their ads. So you come down here to this thing that says page transparency, and I click see all. What this is going to do is it's going to show me some things about it. So the magnetic marketing is responsible for this page. Here's their address. Their history, they changed so originally they were Glazer Kennedy, then they moved to GKIC, then they moved to No BS Inner Circle. There's some stories here that I won't tell you, but there are some stories. If you're an insider in the internet marketing world, you know some of those stories. Okay. It appears they have at least 16. Well, they got more than that. So they got 17 people who can manage this ad account. Notice that. So they've got VAs located in the Philippines, United Kingdom, Kenya. They're able to manage this ad account. But down here, this page is currently running ads and go to ad library. So I want to show you this because this is where the real gold is that I can click on this and I can see all 95 results of ads that No BS Inner Circle is running. I can see the image. I can see the copy. I can click on view ad details to get more information about that particular ad, and I can see everything that they're running here. Okay, so here's this. Notice this. They're running a test. Clearly between these two things. This one, they've got this learn more button in this language down here. This one, they don't. You can see that they're using this. Most people will keep scrolling past this unassuming gentleman called Dan. And notice this, we get that same copy down here with one that was earlier. Interesting. That tells us, here's another one. Most people will keep scrolling. So it tells us they have found this particular copy works well. And then they keep moving to different images that associate with that. Okay. Now we could probably go through and compare these words with these words to see if they're changing the text or if they're just changing the image between the two. Notice also, this is a single image. This is a carousel where they're moving through multiple ones. Can you see what's happening here? They're testing multiple different ways of wording to try to do that. Now here's some video ads where I can go in and actually watch the video and see what they're doing here. Here, by the way, remember that shopping cart you abandoned? No one in the grocery store or the parking lot? No cart like this is worth more. Here's your final warning. So here's what we're doing here is that we're also showing retargeting on abandoned cart. So I made it to the cart, but I didn't actually purchase. So I'm probably getting this one. And then after a certain number of hours, it moves to this one. So what we're doing here is not only are we getting lots of good ad copy and images, we're able to actually deconstruct their funnel, their ad portion of their funnel. And then, of course, you can go in and you can click on the link and actually go see the actual landing pages. And then I suggest that you sign up for it so you see what happens after that. So you get the emails associated with it. A lot of people, and oftentimes I will actually buy the product because I want to see, especially if they're offering a 17 or a free trial or a free with shipping or something like that. I'll oftentimes buy the product so that I can see what's on the other side of that, because in many cases, if all you do is deconstruct the first half of someone's funnel and you don't ever see what happens after that, you miss where the real money happens. Because oftentimes these lower cost things are paid for by the higher end offer that they make after that. So I wanted to show you this. And so you can literally go into any advertiser, into anybody, and put in their information and see every ad that they are currently running. And you can see a lot of history. You can go in and take things apart. So I suggest that you do the following. Number one, make a list of all your competitors. Number two, go into their Facebook pages and look to see if they're running ads. Number three, deconstruct their funnel as much as possible. Number four, really focus exactly on their ads so that you're actually seeing the copy, the images, the videos, everything that they're using in that. And then number five, use copywriting techniques. Don't copy them, but take the directions that they are going down, take the wording that they are using, make it your own, and test their ads, especially if you got somebody who's spending a ton of money. Test their way of approaching things versus yours, and you might just discover that you're able to do really well as a result. Okay, so there's the hint. Go use the Facebook, see ads from them, and look at everything and deconstruct funnels, and you'll do so much better in all your advertising and your funnels. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. This is Don Crowther saying, just go do this stuff.